This video is coming out of one of the back two bedrooms. Both back bedrooms have access to the balcony, the wraparound balcony. Kind of get a feel down the balcony. Nice view of Panama City Beach. It's blowing again pretty good today. Nice in the morning. And here's just walking down to the other end of the balcony. It's kind of hard to see. There's the pool area down there. Sun's reflecting on that. It's kind of hard to see. There's the baby pool, gazebo. The water, kind of the view looking back down this way. And a cool view of the beach. See some amazing sunsets here.